Next problem, sabi dito, two blocks are joined by an extensible cable as shown. So if the system is released from rest, determine the velocity of block A after it has moved 2 meters. So according to the problem, we have to find the velocity of block A when it moved 2 meters to the right. Okay? Then ang sabi ng problem, meron na tayong coefficient of kinetic friction on a 0.25 and the pulley is weightless and frictionless. Now, our system includes a dependent motion analysis. So, nakadepende yung motion ng A kay B or vice versa. Now, since mas mabigat si B, definitely ang magiging motion natin pag nirelease natin sila, pababa. Okay? So, since absolute dependent motion ito, mag-establish muna tayo ng datum line. So, assuming na ito yung datum line natin. And then, let's measure the distances. So, the instantaneous distance here is SB. And then, dito naman is SA. Okay? Now, the velocity, kung ito pababa, si SA towards this direction, o si BA rather. So, that is opposite the direction of distance. So, kapag binuo natin yung ating absolute dependent motion analysis, the position coordinate equations becomes SA plus SB. Okay? Wherein our velocity is equal to, since yung BA opposite ng direction ng kanyang distance, negative BA tayo dito, plus positive naman si BB kasi opposite ng distance. From here, we can say that SA is equal to negative SB. So, ibig sabihin, baliktarin natin, negative SA is equal to SB. So, ni-negative ko si SA. Bakit? Kasi si SA, magmumove ng 2 meters dito. So, iigsi yung matitirang SA. So, ito na lang. So, papabaigsi si SA. So, habang umiigsi si SA, negative siya, positive naman si SB. Tumataas naman yung value ni SB. So, we have now equations of the dependencies or the dependent motion. So, ngayon, ang tanong sa atin ay velocity. Since work and energy tayo, so, gamitin natin yung work and energy. So, isolate muna natin yung block A. So, for block A, so, meron tayo ditong box. May humihila sa kanyang tension cord. May normal force na nag-a-act sa kanya. At merong frictional force na kumukontra. Then, nandyan yung ating weight. Okay? So, si block A, ang motion lang niya ay horizontal. Kung hindi nagbabago yung elevation, ibig sabihin walang work ang energy. So, walang energy yung work. What? Walang work yung weight rather. Sorry, I apologize for that. So, the work and energy equation now for this one is, so since ang motion lang natin ay towards this direction, diyan lang tayo kukuha. So, our work from point 1 to point 2, kasi gagalaw na yan dito. Mangyayari dun sa block natin, pupunta to dito. So, this is our point 2 at ito naman, bababa dito. So, that is our point 2. Ito si point 1, ito si point 2, ito si point 1, ito si point 2. So, ganun yung magiging motion. So, that is plus 1 half mv1 squared equivalent to 1 half mv2 squared. Since coming from rest tayo, the initial velocity is 0. So, the velocity here is 0 coming from rest. So, ano-ano ang mga work natin dito? Meron tayong work by force, that is T, okay, multiplied by the distance traveled. So, the distance traveled by the force hanggang dito ay 2 meters. Okay? So, this is 2 times T times 2. Then, kinokontra naman yan ng frictional force natin. So, kung ang force natin nag-travel ng 2 meters, ganun din si frictional force. 2 meters din yung tinravel niya. And that is equal sa 1 half mv2 squared. So, yung frictional force natin, that is equivalent to mu k times n. So, kung papansinin natin yung figure, di ba, pagka nag-equation of motion tayo dyan, n is just simply equal to W. Okay? Pag nag-equation of motion, hindi ko na isusulat. Alam naman na natin. So, this is 2t minus 2. Our mu ay 0.25. And then, our W ay 200 kilogram siya, 200 times 9.81. Alright. Then that is equal to 1/2 ng 200 times yung velocity ng 2 squared. So, since hinahanap natin yung B2, hindi pa natin siya masosolve kasi wala pa tayong tension. Hanapin muna natin yung tension using the block B. Pagdating kay block B, ito yung box natin, may tension dito, tas nandito naman yung weight ng block B. Then the motion is towards this direction. Okay? Pababa yung block natin. So, kunin natin yung magiging value. The work and energy equation now is U from point 1 to point 2 plus 1/2. MB1 squared is equivalent sa 1/2 MB2 squared. Similarly, coming from rest. Okay? Okay, so work and energy tayo. Kunin natin yung mga work. Ang work na meron tayo, positive na ngayon yung work done by WB. Yung weight ni B, tapos ang distance traveled, kung nag-adjust ito ng 2 meters, therefore, bababa din ito ng 2 meters. Okay? So, bababa din siya ng 2 meters. Baliktad yung arrow ko. Ayan. Kung papunta siya ng 2 meters dito, pababa naman ito ng 2 meters. So, the distance traveled by the weight is 2 meters. Okay? Tapos may tension tayo. So, minus times 2 rin equal to 1/2 ng 300 yung mass ng ating block B. Then, we have to find yung BB squared. Velocity ng B. Ito kasi, magiging velocity na lang ng A. Okay? So, in this case, transpose tayo. We have 2T equivalent to 2WB minus 1/2 ng 300 BB squared, or our 2T is dalawang 300 minus 150 BB squared, or 2T is 600 minus 150 BB squared. So ngayon may value na tayo ng 2T, substitute natin dito. So we have now yung 2T that is 600 minus 150 BB squared. That is your 2T minus 2. Kunin na natin yung value nito. 2 times 0.25, okay, times 200 times 9.81. We have 981 equivalent to yung 1/2 ng 100 ay ng 200, that is 100 BA squared. Now, according to our evaluation ng absolute dependent motion analysis, our BA is just equal to VV. So, we can say that ito, we can be replaced by BA also. So, we can now solve for BA equivalent to, so 600 minus 150x squared minus 981 alpha equals sa 100 alpha x squared. Shift solve tayo. So, processing. We have velocity ng A is 1.536 meters per second. And yan din yung velocity ng B, 1.536 meters per second. And this is our answer for this problem. Okay, so correction. Na-mislook ko to. This should be multiplied by 9.81 kasi weight ito. So, this is not just 600. This is 2 times 300 times 9.81. That is 5886. So, this is not 600, but rather this is 5886. So, let's resolve 5886 minus 150 alpha x squared minus 981 alpha equals so 100 alpha x squared. So, shift solve tayo. We have 4.429 yan. 4.429 meters per second. And this is our answer for this problem.